What's up, guys? This is Derek, your normal Wednesday host. I realize today is not Wednesday. I have been going through quite some stuff. Had a lot going on. Been dealing with a crazy stray cat in the house situation. You have to excuse the banging throughout the video. I've got guys replacing the roof. So yeah, it's been a little hectic. So it's been not so easy to be able to sit down for a minute and post what needs to be posted. But welcome to Transverse. I don't know if you guys have seen Kalo's video yet or not, but this week's topic is binder care and safety. Um, to be completely honest with you, binding hasn't been too big of an issue in my life. I have been gracious enough to have been blessed with a really small chest to begin with, so it never really took me a lot of effort to actually have to try to cover my chest, and I realized that that probably upset some guys because some of them have a serious chest struggle, and I do feel for you guys. Um, One thing I do know is never ever use ace bandages or anything along those lines unless it is not already pre-approved as a binder. I don't recommend doing it. You can crack your ribs, you can injure your lungs. You can just it's not a process that's worth it. It's really not. Um, if you really don't want to use a binder, I've noticed that you can find KT tape. It is a form of athletic tape that you can find in the sports section of Walmart or things along those lines. Um, Excuse me. It holds pretty well. It's a little sticky, kind of hurts sometimes to get off. So that's again a choice that's completely up to you. But binders, the ones that are properly made, are usually the safest bet. There are sizings on the binders. They are there for a reason. You don't want to get a binder that's too big because then it's pointless. You don't want to get a binder that's too small because either A, you won't be able to fit into it, and B, if you do, you could also injure yourself, kind of like the ace bandages and things like that. There are binders of all different types, over the shoulder, just regular across the ones, full tank tops. They've got the whole 9 yards. They've got swimming binders. They've got just about anything you could possibly think of for any situation you would need it. They just about have it. Yeah, like I said, I'm not fully experienced 100% with the whole binding situation because, like I said, like I'm not even wearing anything right now under my shirt. I have nothing underneath my shirt, and I'm still pre-op. So this probably isn't the most informative topic for me, but I hope that this was a little bit helpful. If you have any other questions, I'll be happy to help. Like I said, I myself have one binder. I'll use that every once in a blue moon. I can sometimes get away with not having to wear a binder at all, or I'll use KT tape if I'm wearing like a tank top or a sleeveless or something like that. But yeah. So like I said, I'm Derek. This is Transverse, and see y'all again next week.